Before we even get into today's video, I just want to give a shout out to our sponsor, the coldest water bottle.
The coldest water bottle.
You might be wondering what the coldest water bottle is. I got you. Let me explain.
For facts.
I got the regular. Regular water bottle. This has probably been out for like how long? It's hot right now. New York, we're going through a heat wave. It's like 93 yesterday. Today is probably even worse. So this, staying in your room, is probably gonna get very hot. You get one of these, stays cold for 36 hours. And if you want to put a hot beverage in it, you going to work, you know what I mean? You want to bring your coffee, all of that, 12 hours. There you go.
12 hours of steam. It's eco-friendly. You know what I'm saying? So if you're feeling like you want to save the earth,
you're wondering how it works and how it's keeping it cold, you know what I mean? It got the fully insulated 2.0, you know, technology. So they really doing their thing. No sweat technology either. So
you know all that leaking bullshit, all that shit that be coming
you
off.
You gotta mess up your t-shirt, none of that.
Good grip, you know what I'm saying?
Facto, it got the whole grip too and all of that. So I'm telling you, no odor, you know what I mean?
And they come with different sizes too. This is I think this is just like the standard one. They come with bigger sizes too and different colors.
It fits 99% of cup holders, so you know you don't even gotta. Well, this one probably does, you know what I mean?
Yeah, the other ones.
They got other sizes, so you know if you wanna, hold more water. If you guys don't believe our testimony, just go on their website. You know, it's over 10,000 5-star reviews. So if you think I'm capping, other people have their opinion as well. You know what I mean? If you guys are interested, go in our link in our bio. Go get that. We're also doing a giveaway. And if you use our promo code Wavy
in all caps,
10% discount off. So there you go. You don't even got to pay the full price the first time. So go do that. You guys know you want a water bottle. Come on now.
You want the coldest water.
It's hot. It's the summer.
It's only the coldest.
Stay hydrated. Just hop right into this video. Would y'all be mad if I did the video with my hat like? You can't even really see my shit. Wait. If I did the video with my hat like this, I don't usually wear that hats. I know y'all see me wear this hat a lot. I wear it like this for a reason, because I don't usually wear that hats. Listen, man, we got Abra Cadabra Freestyle. Y'all niggas know I did that. Listen, them comments underneath that last Abra Cadabra song. That's tough. That's tough. I was expecting that. That was all part of the fucking plan. Bro, listen, we about to start the video though. Abra Cadabra. I know y'all niggas fuck with his music. I do as well. So we're about to hop right into this. Not even about to play no games. Yeah, I said this was heat. Like the video before we start.
Know the thing. So, I bust my gun, don't think about karma, think about that after I leave with it. Try to hit that target.
First fucking verse.
You don't think about karma, leave it afterward, but
first line, you heard what you said? Come on now. You don't think about karma. Think about that after. Lean back and come on.
I bust my gun, don't think about karma, think about that after I leave with it. Try to hit that target. Anyone I see, I recognize I'm a blasters routed. He thought he was the only one I had it when he blasted. To the man that barked it. Same cool, half a man, the man a little boys, not even half a man. We don't wanna talk, man, the man are just talking. We never this talking thing, that machine on this walking thing. She works like a gal in this charting thing. We put the ush in wuss on the M in more. On the W in wait. What you want, call it? You know what, really cool, no, we slap round there, not boy, definitely be falling. Slap cooling him, make him think God, definitely be calling him, miss us never.
He's crazy, we gotta take that back.
He wild.
On the W in wait. What you want, call it? You know what, really cool, no, we slap round there, not boy, definitely be falling. Slap cooling him, make him think God, definitely be calling him, miss us never. Them in this warring thing, they with energy, trying to call that prick. Call for a friendly, I don't trust that shit. Got enough enemies and we scared them pricks. There's no enemy if I stay with it. If I stay with this.
This video was posted on June 21st. This nigga is wearing a whole jacket. What's going on? I know y'all be having hot days.
That's cap, bare cold out there.
If I stay with it and leave with it.
Let's just check the weather in London right now. Let's go.
Bro, all them niggas is wearing jackets. I mean, hoodies.
What the fuck?
Damn, nigga.
Oh nah, I can see why y'all niggas wear jacket. Look, 64. I mean, it's like 2 a.m. over there for y'all. For us,
So what?
For us, yeah, that is still beast. But for us, it's, I mean,
Fucking 90.
it's a little 86.
Fucking blazing.
Yeah, it feels like 93. For me, for y'all, it's 64 and it feels like 64. So, I see why the jackets pop out.
Dunkirk, Broadwater, N17, man,
I can fuck with that. Hoodies all year long.
You get me?
Fuck with that, you like that weather? Cold shit?
Hoodies year long. I can fuck with that.
Real life in this thing, fam, trust me.
Talk that shit.
That nigga. Oh, my son, man. Okay.
Through the whole of the home, oh, to the death of you,
I got a BMW
Oh, I
jacket.
know. But men creep up, mind your head back, ease up. You send cool like delivering pizza. I don't wanna have to leave up, men creep up. You know, oh, you know. But men creep up, mind your head back, ease up. You send cool like delivering pizza. I don't wanna hear Philly don't dance, cause I made Philly dance when I slap that Nina. Make men chip up and push their friend.
You heard that shot, nigga? I don't wanna hear Philly don't dance. What? Cause what?
Pizza. I don't wanna hear Philly don't dance, cause I made Philly dance when I slap that Nina. Make men chip up and push their friend till I bust that corner. Why you so eager? I got my broskies back when I grabbed the smash car. I'm his keeper. We take trips when we feel like they don't touch none of my G's. We snap round when we feel like it. Strap up and go ride when we feel like it. What you feel like? Don't ask me why we feel like this. Them man they talk tough when we hear about it. We go around in up and air I preach. I swear my man was cool. How's he entertaining this? He's another nigga we ain't playing with. Don't make us capture, we better stay where he is. He ain't even gotta say where it is. Wherever he is, he better pray where he is. Better have a pillow and a duvet where he is. Anywhere we see him, he gotta lay where he is.
Nigga said, but I have a pillow and a duvet.
He walked out.
Do I gotta take it back? Come on now.
He is man's dangerous. Slap by spontaneous. This badness ain't contagious. Be around bare pricks and they're still the same to us. No. It ain't never about the fame for us. No. The man them always had a name to us. Man, live life was the aim for us. Don't stop to the G's we
Make
pay
money,
for that. The man them always had a name to us. Man, live life was the aim for us. Don't stop to the G's who pay for that. For the G. I just take it, load it and send it down. Show girl, that's what's there on. And I always gotta change the clothes on my car. Just open my boot and my gear on. All the time I got offensive weapons on me. So the Metropolitans I'm scared of. I just rise it down, put scare off. He wants to drop next. I know my heart, they're wet. That's where it gets me vexed. The way they chat on the net like none of them's dead. None of my bros and tech check. Off the off, they ride and get drenched. Last ride I really went left, made them crash their cars on the back hill stress. Lucky none of them dead that day. Whoever we caught would have dead that day. Have you ever watched Rambo ahead? Watch Chef that way. And I don't wanna hear no chat about you sipping lean on the strip. We don't set that place. Just to show that we hate that place. Wait, how many times do we take that place? Long live trust, bro. Song is life. You can go ask. Long live trust.
I could definitely say why y'all niggas was. Nah, this is a song right here because he's talking. How long is this? 4 minutes and 30 seconds. He switched up his flow a couple times and this beat is crazy.
Fuck the Niners. Get butt like. Get right off. And I see man screaming out too late, but his hand didn't work, just sign off. Yeah.
I know what he's talking
Let's
about.
get clean up. With a broom or sweep up. I'm on an up block district with a big thing trying to run the next idiot. We delivering corn, you can never respawn, so they run when they see us. Slip bro, you best keep up. My head's hot, trying to leave on my steam up. Swing that digger and turn it. Cause spin that digger, reverse it. Slap that bursting. That man would've got corn up that day if the wet lid never stopped working. Man, I was still purging. Trying to build the next stop and curling. No.
Come on now. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
I feel like there might be more. Oh, okay, there is.
I spin this curse. I can see something.
And that was Abra Cadabra Freestyle. Now, I didn't even peep that it was his own freestyle until, like 8 minutes into the video. Let me stop this screen record and let me get into what I thought about this video. I feel like there's a whole lot of bars in this one. Like the previous one that I reacted to by myself, definitely a hype song. This one was definitely, I mean, it's a freestyle, so I expected to definitely have more balls than the last one. But what you thought of this? What you really thought of this?
No. I wish I gotta hear the other one, the first one first, but this shit fire. To compare them.
Got the first one first.
I just see something. Should've never been in pigs and I would've seen you with a peanut.
Got it.
It might have, it might online.
Bad man don't squeeze for nothing. Bad man don't bend this machine for fun, man. Be big man to make people run you in. Never was call you a liar. None of them pussies are riders. I got my brown in inside, but she give me stress. So I might fly west in my westing now. She don't give me stress. She give me before that jiggy jiggy on. Bad girl around jiggy jiggy on.
They are crazy.
Jiggy jiggy on. Bad girl around jiggy jiggy on. Jiggy jiggy on. Jiggy jiggy on.